Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change the debit card linked to your Zelle account and explain a few important things to know before you start. First, keep in mind that Zelle only works with US bank accounts that are part of the Zelle network. Credit cards, international debit cards, and non-US accounts aren't accepted. If you're using the standalone Zelle mobile app, you need to link a valid US debit card to use the service. To change your card, start by opening the Zelle app on your phone. Once the app is opened, tap the gear icon in the upper left corner to open settings. Next, tap on Account, then select the option that says Switch Accounts. From here, you'll be able to unlink your current bank account and debit card. After unlinking the existing card, add a new bank account and enter the details for the new debit card you want to use. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify the card and complete the setup. Once the new card is linked successfully, Zelle will use it for future transactions. It's important to note that these steps apply only if you're using the Zelle mobile app. If you're using Zelle through your bank or credit union's app, the steps can be different, and you may need to manage your card or account details directly through your bank settings or contact customer support for help. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you change your card on Zelle, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.